nagkakaintindihan tayo, and maybe DOF can help us
Madam Chair,
with these details. Yes, so
Madam Chair,
somebody
no,
volunteer.
right here, right here.
Oh, okay. Hi, Erwin.
No, I
Sorry.
would just like
Did
to,
yeah,
to
sorry.
clarify Section 4 of RA 1219. Loss and damage found board provides for immunities, privileges, and exemptions. What are these immunities? Eh, wala naman po silang office.
May tauhan.
May tauhan pero walang office. Well,
Yes, that was actually my next question. Kasi it says that no waiver of immunity shall extend to any measure of execution, di ba? And that's standard language in most of our agreements with international groups. Does this mean that even if the board consents to be sued, any judgment arising from that lawsuit will not be executed? What's the purpose of the waiver of immunity? I need to understand, perhaps legal in DFA. This seems to be the general language. And like Senator Erwin Tulfo, I'm not aware of the extent of the coverage. Yes, Yusek Lim.
With permission, Your Honor, the general language is immunities for hosting international organizations. As our colleague from
Hindi
the
yun nakasulat, ah.
Yeah.
Hindi yan ang nakasulat. Immunities talaga.
Yeah, it's general immunities. Well, immunities, it's treated, I think you're referring to the law. It refers to the immunities usually granted to international organizations.
Right.
In anticipation that...
Yes, but I'm just asking if there's a lawsuit filed, what does it mean? A judgment is then rendered, the judgment will not be executed because they have a waiver of immunity.
They have immunity. So
they have immunity,
yeah,
which
they're
they may or may not waive.
Yeah, and if they don't waive it, they cannot be sued.
So baliwala yung korte natin dito? Even it's above and beyond the work that they're expected to perform? Ganun ba yun?
That's the immunities that we grant for, and that's also the immunities that we receive.
Well, we've
for
had
our
very
diplomats
controversial issues, as you know, with the visiting forces. So can we clarify on this, please? Yes, Secretary.
Yes, Madam Chair. Immunities are only applicable, or rather, if it is within their function.
Official.
Yun na nga,
The
that's
performance of their
within the
function.
performance of their duty.
Yes.
Pero ang problema nito, pag may immunity sila, above and beyond. I mean, they get into a drunken brawl in a bar, which they do from time to time, di ba? So what's the purpose? If they waive and we still can't execute, what's the purpose of your Section 4, itong waiver of immunity? Bakit may Article 4 pa? Ba't magwe-waive ng immunity? Di naman ma-execute yung judgment, balenada yung korte.
we have to be clear on this, Madam Chair, kasi lalo na pag nasa provinces yung mga yan, di ba? They're on vacation. I mean, law enforcers might believe that they have like diplomatic immunity, etc., na exempted sila sa being arrested. Yeah, tama si Madam Chair. Pag na pumasok sa gulo, away, hindi pwedeng hulihin because they're members of the board. I mean, we have to clarify this, Madam Secretary, para once and for all, malinawan ang authorities natin, lahat tayo dito.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
answer?
further upon Senator Tulfo's concern, does this provision apply to criminal cases? If the member of the board waives the immunity of one of its officials and observers, the person is convicted of a crime in a Filipino court. Can Philippine authorities imprison that guy?
Yeah.
Or can that person use the last sentence of paragraph 1, article 4, and say, I have no waiver of immunity and it shall extend to any measure of execution? Ligtas na siya.
Madam Chair, the response is
Yes, Secretary.
yes, we can execute that jurisdiction. So I just read this. Immunity is functional, not personal. It exists only to safeguard. We're talking about the board's independence.
We're aware of the general
Yeah,
principle.
right.
The question is,
We-
bakit may waiver of immunity pa? Bakit
Actually,
may colatilla sa last sentence
that is
nung article 4? Ba't may ganon?
Oh.
Wala na siyang silbi.
I think well that
Yes.
part is something, but we can execute that act of the court. I mean, that waiver is also something that we discussed in the course of
Nalilito
the
lang ako. Maybe if you have further explanation, being that we're so tight on time,
we'll give you the
um,
response, official response.
can they just invoke the last sentence and say that no waiver of immunity shall extend to any measure of execution? Yun ang concern eh.
I see.
Kasi kahit sabihin pa natin, no, it's a personal
Uh-uh.
offense and it
Yeah,
has nothing
yeah.
to do with the performance of his duty. The truth is, we cannot impose any kind of judgment upon this fellow. So if you could tell me a little more, I'll be happier. Paragraph 1, Article 5, the premises
Yeah.
shall be inviolable. Pero wala namang premise, di ba? Kasasabi lang natin na wala naman na opisina. Bakit may Article 5 pa? Bakit tayo magpo-provide ng security, ng kung ano-ano, eh wala naman pala opisina to. Eh bakit may premises? Ibig sabihin itong premises dito sa
Madam
paragraph
Chair.
1, Article 5.
Madam Chair,
Yes po.
if you would please. So there's already a law here. Pero parang everybody here doesn't know what's going on. I mean, nag-review ba tayo? I mean, when we came over, I don't this law, it's already a law. It's been here for a while. Ang dami nating tanong. I mean, naipasa pa, paano po ito nailusot na hindi natin masagot-sagot? Simple katanungan po, yung immunity na yan. How come? Nobody, DFA, DNR, climate change, nobody, Department of Finance. Go ahead, Yusek Tate.
Yes, sir.
Your indulgence, Madam Chair.
So, Madam Chair, so the boards
Yes,
are
Yusek Te.
the board members are given the immunities and privileges for them to be able to discharge their functions. So the privileges and immunities extend only so far as they act in their official capacity.
Yes,
And,
we've repeated that
opo.
time and again. Alam na natin yung
Yes,
basic
Madam Chair.
principle
Yung
yan.
waiver po,
Pero
it is
tinatanong nga natin yung personal offense.
yes, there are
Diba na yung within their duty?
may
Saka
jurisprudence.
ano yung functionality ng waiver of immunity in the
Opo.
execution of a judgment?
Yes, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, yung in terms of yung personal actions nila, may jurisdiction naman, may jurisprudence na po tayo that states that
Oo
if
nga,
they
oo
act
nga.
beyond the
Oo, wala
well,
namang problema
but
doon. Yung
we
waiver
still-
of immunity
yes.
ang
Opo.
naguguluhan ako.
Yes, Madam Chair, kasi binibigyan pa rin po
Lalo na
natin.
pag criminal yan, paano yan?
Yeah,
Pag may namatay, may nadaling Pilipino.
So, Madam Chair, yung waiver po, sila as board member, despite being given the immunities and privileges, they can opt to waive that privileges and immunities that we grant to them. Opo.
Madam Chair.
And then in terms of
So, naguguluhan ako, Madam Chair. Di po ba dapat, I don't know if DFA can answer this. Di po ba agreement po muna bago tayo gumawa ng, before we enact a law? Or is it the other way around now? We enact a law before the agreement. Kasi ganun po nangyari dito eh. Could you clarify why the agreement came later? It was enacted first. Dapat po, there was the law should have been there should have been an agreement first para na ipasok natin lahat all these questions when we are formulating this law here. Hindi po yung after na naipasa na ito, tsaka pa lang tayo pinag-uusapan natin agreement. Nga tamo, para tayong mga nahihilo ngayon. Hindi natin alam kung anong, hindi natin masagot lahat kung ano bang immunity. Dapat ho ito, before we enacted this law, pero po munang agreement. Would you agree with me, Madam Chair?
I totally agree with you, Senator. But may we ask also our DNR, because how it came about. The immunities and privileges part is something that we extract.
Sino ba nag-negotiate nito? DENR or DFA? Kasi 3 pahina pa yung tanong ko sa awa ng Diyos. DENR ang nag-negotiate. Andito ba, kayo pa ang negotiating
yes,
party?
Madam Chair, it's a technical
May legal po kayo?
Opo.
Saan yung legal ng DENR? Arito?
Attorney Ben, attorney.
Tulungan naman ninyo kami. Ikaw bang nag-negotiate? Ikaw ba talaga nakipag-usap sa kanila?
Senator, I was just part of the technical working group, so I'm Attorney Avetinos Gupico III, so I am part of the technical working group.